And so thankfully the EU Commission said, okay, this is an issue.
Yeah.
So from next year, there's some new regulation in place, or actually it's already in place basically. And the idea is to ensure that the consumer has better information both on like durability and repairability of a product. So it's not
Mm.
just buy, break, toss, new,
Mm.
but actually, oh, you can get this fixed.
Yeah.
And then it's also banning greenwashing to protect consumers from commercial practices that would actually prevent them from shopping more sustainably. Because if Mercedes-Benz is doing the whole look at us, look how shiny and green we are, then you probably won't see cars or alternative to cars that are better for the environment.